He didn't realise he'd already lost the argument. I just hadn't mentioned his son yet. Smoko room. Third rant this week. Couldn't even tell what I was looking at, he says. Hair like a glow stick, piercings everywhere. A couple of weak laughs near the fridge. They do it on purpose. Sit there, wait for a reaction. I finish my banana. How old is your boy now? He glances over. My boy? 19. Still working with Damo? Yeah. Yeah, right. Small nod. Must be good, that. Keeps him out of trouble? Yeah, he's a good kid. I take a sip. Is he still into that heavy music stuff? He grins. Yeah. He goes all in with it, doesn't he? Pretty much. I nod, like I'm just passing time. I saw he's got a few tats now, yeah? That gets him. Yeah, full sleeve, knuckles, neck. He looks sick. What does he have on his knuckles again? Death machine. Right. Quick sip. That throat one. A stitched mouth, isn't it? Yeah. Tough place to get a tat. He smirks. He handled it. Where did he even see that? Online somewhere. Yeah, right. A brief moment of silence. Hey, isn't that from some bikie gang or something? He shrugs. Yeah, but he's not in it. Yeah, that's right. They don't take anyone in under 25 years old anyway. Yeah. So he just like the look? Yeah. Fair enough. He relaxes a fraction. I lean on the table. What do you reckon your grandparents would have said if you came home looking like that at 19? He scoffs. It was a different time back then. Yeah. A small nod. Still, big shift though. No answer. I glance back at him. He had that rough patch last year, didn't he? His eyes narrow slightly. What do you mean? The breakup. I saw it on Facebook. He exhales. Yeah, it was a bit messy. He took it pretty hard. Yeah, well, missed a bit of work, wasn't sleeping. He shrugs. He doesn't like where this is going, but he's in it now. Yeah, what's your point? I ignore the question. He got that throat tattoo not that long after, right? So? I let the silence sit there. Then. So, was that him dealing with it? He frowns. What? Like just expressing himself? He shifts his weight. Yeah? I glance at him. It's kind of the same as that kid on the train, yeah? Stillness. Nah. I push back. I just look at him. Are you sure? His jaw tightens. That's different. How? Nothing. I take another sip. Your son puts death machine on his hands. A stitched mouth across his throat. A heavy moment of silence. But the kid on the train is the one that's performing. A chair scrapes slightly behind us. He straightens. Are you trying to say something? There it is. I don't move. I'm just trying to understand the difference. Silence again. He doesn't have it. I grab my cup, stand up. If it's not about the look... A slight pause. What is it? No answer. I head for the door. Because from where I'm standing, a heavy moment of silence. It looks like the same thing. I leave.